Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt your project meetings slide off track, or just wished you had a simple way to capture action items and keep everyone aligned, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to use Smartsheet templates to organize your projects, build effective meeting agendas, and keep those vital to-dos front and center. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a ready-to-use system that saves time, reduces confusion, and helps your team get more done. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're inside Smartsheet, the first thing you'll want to do is start a new sheet. You can do this by clicking the plus button. You might also see a Create button, depending on your dashboard layout. This is the starting point for bringing a bit more order to your workflow. Think of it like selecting a fresh notebook before a big meeting. Starting off organized makes all the difference. When the menu pops up, direct your attention to the Templates option. Templates are a huge time saver in Smartsheet. Instead of reinventing the wheel every time, you can start with a structure that's already been thought through by experts. So click on Templates. That's going to open a whole library of pre-built solutions, sort of like browsing the aisles at your favorite office supply store. Now look for a link or button that says View All Templates. Give that a click. Not all the templates are visible up front, so this is where you'll really see the full range. There are templates for all sorts of industries and functions, but what we want today is something that helps us run better meetings. Use the search bar at the top and type in Agenda. Don't worry if you don't see exactly what you want at first. A quick search brings up several options specifically designed for planning meetings, organizing talking points, and tracking follow-ups. Let's say you spot a template that's labeled Meeting Agenda. Go ahead and click on it. This serves as your starting point, kind of like laying out index cards for each topic you know you need to cover in your meeting. Once you have it selected, hit Create. In just a second or two, Smartsheet will spin up a fresh copy of this template just for you. Now you're in the driver's seat. This is where customization comes in. Take a few moments to add your team members. There's usually a place to list attendees, set roles, and assign action items. If your meeting has recurring topics or you need specific follow-up columns, you can tweak those right here. Don't hesitate to adjust things. These templates are built to be flexible, not static. You might also notice there's a meeting agenda form included. This is a handy way to collect input from your team before the meeting even starts. Think of it as sending out a quick RSVP or suggestion box ahead of time. It can really help surface agenda items you might have missed. And here's another bonus. Many templates include a basic dashboard for meetings. This is an overview page that pulls in key metrics and open action items at a glance. Picture it as your project's control panel. You can instantly see what needs discussion, what's overdue, and who's responsible for each task. The beauty of working with Smartsheet templates is how much you can tailor them to fit your project's needs. Whether you're managing a small team or a complex initiative, you're never stuck starting from scratch. And that's it. You've set up a foundation for more productive meetings and clearer action items, all in just a few quick steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and drop a like. It really helps the channel. If you have questions or want to share how you're using Smartsheet in your own projects, leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.